Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant Cutoff 2025 and the exam result. Many of the candidates completed the technical exam today and the next round is in person, that is a technical interview Gen C Next, Gen C Pro and Gen C. Aptitude Tech exam cutoff for the role of Gen C Pro and Gen C Next. In the video we will discuss about everything. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. I created playlist for all of you in which everything is there. Technical assessment, aptitude exam cutoff, aptitude communication, everything. As well as I already made interview preparation video for Gen C Pro and Gen C Next 1 month ago. I will definitely create the video for the 2025 batch again. First of all, one most important point from our channel, many of the candidates selected in Cognizant. Hi, I got selected for Gen C Next role in Cognizant, which I applied through your YouTube channel. So the thing is, guys, it's all of your efforts. You have to prepare for opportunity and you have to crack the opportunity. As we know that first is registration, screening and communication assessment, that is round 1. After that online assessment will be there, aptitude assessment, technical assessment. After that offline technical interview. Okay. But in the 2024 batch hiring, okay, that is posted in the previous month March, okay, those candidates who completed their phase 2 examination, they received this type of mail. Dear candidate, we wanted to inform that interview initially planned to be held in person will now be conducted virtually. We appreciate your understanding and believe this change will enhance your interview experience with us. Please keep a watch on your Superset registered email ID for further details regarding the interview time and slot. So we are expecting that same for the 2025 batch. If the interview is virtual, it is very good. Okay, the interview is virtual. In person interview means, okay, in person interview means they will send one location. Okay, they will send one location or Cognizant office location. You have to go to that location, okay, with your laptop, and you have to log on to the Superset portal. You have to log in to Superset portal and you have to give your interview. But if it's the interview is virtual, it will be very good for all of you. Similarly, in the hiring assessment prerequisites, they mention that offline technical interview for Gen C Next, Gen C Pro and Gen C. If you selected, they will release the letter of intent LOI. So the thing is totally depends on them. If the interview is virtual, it will very good for all of you. Let's discuss about the Cognizant exam result and interview timeline. Like on when, like किस डेट तक हम एग्जाम रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एज वी नो दैट रजिस्ट्रेशन इज स्टार्ट ऑन 9th April, राउंड 1 completed on 17th April, aptitude assessment completed on 21st and 22nd April, and technical assessment complete on 25th April, means today. Okay, the date is 22 April, but the technical assessment will be on today. All shortlisted candidate will be notified on hiring category for interview. You are shortlisted for either one of the role, Gen C Next, Gen C Pro and Gen C, and they clearly mention from May onwards. Okay, your interview will be start from May onwards and letter of intent. It is clearly mentioned to appear for communication aptitude and technical assessment to be eligible for technical interview. For technical interview, you have to be attend communication aptitude and technical assessment. All the 3 assessment are mandatory. Please note, if selected, candidate will join as a fresher and no prior work experience will be considered. So let's discuss about the result timeline, and we are considering the example of 2024 batch. The hiring is completed in the previous month, March 2025. You can see on my screen, first phase exam date is March 4, aptitude technical assessment. We are expecting from the last assessment, technical assessment on 7th March. Okay, so in the next 7 days, the first phase exam result is declared, 14th March. 7th March is the technical assessment date and 14th March is the exam result date. And the phase 1 interview date is after 14 days, or we can say that like after 10 to 14 days, 28 March, 1, 3, 4, 7 April, this is the interview date. Same for the second phase. Technical assessment date is 19th March. Okay, and after 7 days of time, on the 26th March, your result date is announced. So similarly for the 2025 batch, the communication on 17th April, aptitude on 21st, 22nd, technical on 25th April. So we can expect the result in between 2nd to 4th May 2025. This is very important. Okay, and after that your interview will be scheduled. In this assessment prerequisite, they clearly mention your interview will be start from May onwards. So we are expecting the result date in the May. Let's discuss about the Cognizant exam cutoff. First of all, mention in the comment section how many question you solve. Okay, suppose you solve the aptitude 30 question 30 minute, technical 2 SQL question 2 1 web development, aptitude I solve 26 to 27, technical I solve 4 question 1 SQL 2 C# and 1 web development. Mention in the comment section how was your aptitude exam performance, how was your technical exam. It will very helpful for everyone. Okay, so let's discuss about the exam cutoff. First of all, I am showing you the selected candidate cutoff. Okay, good afternoon sir. In technical exam I solved 2 SQL 2 Java 1 HTML, means complete 5 question is solved. Okay, means it is a cluster 1 CL1 and cluster 1, and my performance in aptitude is average. We can say that the medium performance. Will I get interview mail? Candidate got the interview mail for Gen-C Pro role. Okay, candidate got interview mail for the Gen-C Pro role. Technical examination, overall performance is very good, all question is solved. Aptitude is medium. Okay, communication is, we can say that, good. So still candidate got the Gen-C Pro role. As we know that Gen-C is first role, that is of 4 LPA. Gen-C Pro role is for the 5.4 LPA and Gen-C next for 6.75 LPA. The Gen-C next is the big role. And the one of the candidate, very good evening sir, my performance communication moderate. Okay, moderate communication, aptitude 23 plus. Okay, we can say that good. Gaming 6 11 23 21 level pass. Technical 2 questions solve, 1 C# and done with HTML CSS part, means total 4 questions solve. Okay, is there any chance were selected for Gen-C role? I choose cluster 2 but I got cluster 3. Greetings from Cognizant, you are eligible for in-person technical interview towards Gen-C category. So candidate selected for Gen-C role. So you can assume from that, okay, according to your performance in the technical examination, according to your performance in the aptitude assessment, you will shortlist for either of one role. This is Gen-C Pro and this is for Gen-C role. Okay, and this is the candidate experience for the Gen-C role. Introduction, project explanation, related question, insert value, difference between primary, unique, foreign key, index, write a query to insert value, HR question, difference between abstract class and non-abstract class. So the thing is, I will come up with the separate interview preparation, but let's discuss about the expected cutoff. First of all, okay, after clearing the examination, if you are shortlisted for interview, you will receive this Cognizant off-campus hiring eligible for in-person technical interview. But as I already said in my previous video, that it will depends on Cognizant team guys. Okay, the interview is in person or virtual, because for the 2024 batch, for the phase 1 candidate the interview is in person, for the phase 2 candidate the interview is virtual. Okay, that's the thing. So let's discuss about let's wait for the next update. Between we will talk about the expected exam cutoff. In the communication assessment, what is the communication assessment exam cutoff? Okay, they will check how many question you solve. Okay, how many question you solve. आपने लिसनिंग के क्वेश्चन को कैसे सही किया है, मतलब लिसनिंग के क्वेश्चंस को कैसे प्रॉपरली आपके क्वेश्चन सही हुए, ग्रामेटिकल देखेंगे, वो आपकी स्पीकिंग एबिलिटी देखेंगे. दिस आर द थिंग्स दे विल चेक इन द कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट. लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द एप्टीट्यूड एग्जाम कट ऑफ. In aptitude exam, total 80 minutes of time are there. 2 section quant and game based aptitude. 30 question 30 minutes for the quant and 4 section 9 minutes per section. Okay, for the game based aptitude assessment. Deductive reasoning switch challenge, deductive reasoning gap challenge, complex planning capability, motion and inductive reasoning. This is the aptitude assessment cutoff. 30 question 30 minutes for the quant. Okay, so if you solve the 20 to 25 or 25 plus question, so high chances that you clear the cutoff. Okay, you clear the cutoff of aptitude. Generally the cutoff varies in between 14 to 20 question. The cutoff is not disclosed by Cognizant team. They will check your overall performance. If you solve the 25 plus question, there is a high chances. You see on my screen previously that candidate aptitude is medium. Some candidates solve the 23 plus question, they clear the aptitude cutoff. In the gamified assessment, there is a easy to medium. 4 sections are there. In it is a level based. Level based means how many level you passed in the examination. In the game based aptitude, suppose candidate passed the 6 level, 11 level, 23 level, 21 level, so they will check overall performance how many level you passed in the Cognizant aptitude. Okay, and the cutoff depends on many factor guys. How many number of open position seats for the particular hiring, difficulty level, high cutoff are also there, low cutoff are also there according to the examination difficulty, and sectional and overall cutoff are also there. They will check the aptitude cutoff, ओके कैसा आपने एप्टीट्यूड में परफॉर्मेंस किया है. दे विल चेक द टेक्निकल कट ऑफ एंड दे विल चेक द ओवरऑल कट ऑफ एंड कट ऑफ अकॉर्डिंग टू रोल वाइज. जेंसी के अलग कट ऑफ होगा, जेंसी नेक्स्ट के लिए एंड जेंसी प्रो के लिए. सो दिस आर समथिंग फॉर द कट ऑफ. Let's discuss about the Cognizant Tech exam cutoff. As we know that in the cluster 1 CL1 total 5 questions are there. Java 2, SQL 2, HTML CSS 1. In the cluster 2 Python 2 coding question, SQL 2 question and Cloud MCQ 10. And in the cluster 3 C# 2 coding question, SQL 2 question and HTML CSS 1 question. So first of all, in the technical assessment, okay, your technical assessment performance is very matter in your selection to the GenC Pro and the GenC next role. Okay, so the one most important point thing that I have to mention, candidate solve the 4 question. Okay, aptitude is also good 23 plus, still he got the GenC mail. Candidate solve the 5 question GenC Pro, 5 question completely, aptitude is medium, he got the GenC Pro role. If you perform very well, like 2 coding question is done, 2 SQL done and HTML CSS done, high chances of GenC next interview call if your aptitude performance is also good. Suppose you perform very well in communication, you perform very well in aptitude, okay, you perform very well in technical assessment, okay, like high number of question you solved, so there is a high chances of GenC next interview call according to cluster wise. What do you mean by cluster wise? Suppose candidate received the cluster 1, so this type of cutoff will be there. If I am talking about the cluster 2, suppose you solve the 2 Python coding question, 2 SQL question, 10 MCQ with all the 10 MCQ correct, okay, your aptitude performance is also good, your communication performance is also good, high chances of GenC next interview call. Again I am saying the call will be depends on multiple condition guys. Suppose you solve the 1 to 1.5 coding question, 2 SQL done, HTML CSS done, there is a GenC Pro interview call. Okay, if you solve no coding question, only you done the SQL and HTML CSS, is there any chances of GenC next? Totally depends on them guys. Okay, previously those candidate who solve the SQL question, who solve the HTML question, they also get the GenC, okay, interview call. But again I am mentioning it will totally depends on Cognizant team. There are multiple condition, multiple parameters that is related to technical assessment. Suppose you solve the 2 coding question, no SQL और HTML CSS is done, means आपने HTML CSS का कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं किया, SQL का भी नहीं किया, 2 coding, chances of which interview call? So it depends on multiple condition guys. Again I am mentioning, okay, your performance in communication assessment, your performance in aptitude assessment, your performance in technical assessment will decide your selection for which role you are shortlisted. GenC Pro, okay, and the GenC next role. That's the thing, okay. So that's why I shared the update, okay, or I shared the candidate update with all of you, that how many question candidate solve and for which role candidate is shortlisted for. You can see on my screen here, okay. So there are multiple conditions that is related to technical examination cutoff, and again I am mentioning cluster wise cutoff are also there. Okay, there are 3 cluster number 1, cluster number 2, cluster number 3. So you can check out with this condition. Cognizant interview preparation, I will come up with the free resources again guys for the interview checklist, 10th 12th college mark sheet, provisional degree certificate, government ID proof. Please make PDF for that, updated resume if they ask at the time of interview, it will good, updated LinkedIn profile, upload project on GitHub. If the interview is virtual, they will try to see your project, okay. You can prepare for Cognizant GenC Pro and GenC next role, and this is the interview preparation for technical interview, and this is the preparation for HR interview. I will come up with the separate video for Cognizant. I hope you like the video, and in this video I will mention about everything that is related to technical aptitude and communication. Thanks for watching the video. Let's wait for the result.